In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to add a cool feature that you can have here. It can be a button or a search bar. So what we need to do is, if our visitors come to our website, they land on the homepage and maybe they want to search something, or you need to put what is known as a call to action that people can actually quickly see. I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, only do this if you have a blog on your website and if you are posting a lot of things. Because the condition that we are putting here is so that if people cannot find what they are looking for, they just click on the search option and then find what they need. So let me head over to the dashboard. I'm going to click on appearance and customize again. And this time when I go to customize, I need to find the options that are on my left. And then you go to header builder. Okay. When I am at header builder, as you can see, this is the header icon. Okay. And then this is the primary menu that is there. So what you need to do is to move over your mouse on somewhere here, and then you just click on the plus sign, and then you can put the search module. Once you add the search module, you're going to see that an update is going to come, and then the search icon has actually been added. Okay, and if you need to change the view of this search icon, you just click on the search. You just click on the search button so that you can get the options to design the search. So some other people prefer to have the design, probably if you need to change the icon color, if you need to have it on red. As you can see, I've changed that to red. If I go to general, I can do live search. I need to increase here. If I need to do live search within stories, pages, posts, you're customizing it to however you want. I'm just going to switch this off. Again, if you need to add a button here, same process. You just come here, you click, and then you click on the button or account. Oh, I'm going to go with button because it's what we need. And then button is actually going to the last part, which is this one. And then you click on the button. And then the button that you can create again is to say, if you want to say go with probably learn. If you want to have a call to action that is called learn, and then here you can put the link that you want people to go to if they click on the learn. And then if you want them to open on a new tab, you can just activate that. But in that case, I'm just going to put a pound sign so that when they click, it doesn't take them anywhere. Okay. And if I head to if I go to our website, we are going to see that we're going to have an overview of the changes that we have done. And there we go. We have the search. If someone clicks search, and then they can type what they need, and then they hit enter. If the information is not there, you're going to get, sorry, we didn't find what you're looking for. Okay. And if someone clicks learn, they're not going to go anywhere because they've put the hash sign. With that said, that's how you add the search and the button on the menu. Thank you. Please do share with us your challenges if you're facing any, and the progress that you have made. I'd love to see screenshots within our community, and we'll be here to help you. Thank you and bye.